Yeah, welcome to today's analysis. Today's date is 30th of November. So we're going to analyze gold for the rest of the week. Just follow me through the chart while I run through the analysis of gold. So let's quickly move into the chart. So this is gold. So on my daily chart, what am I expecting? First of all, last week gold was able to break this high over here, so I'm expecting that there's going to be some resistance here to gold, and then finally another resistance at the top here. However, due to this big volume candle that created a lot of space, I expect gold to easily pass through this resistance to this high and even bypass the high. So let's go to a 4-hour candlestick to see what's happening on our 4-hour chart. Here on a 4-hour, we keep all those things knowing that this place have been mitigated. So we are expecting that. Let's refine our resistance. So we bring our resistance here. Since this whole place here, okay, there is a lot of liquidity here, so we're going to cover the liquidity here. Now, what do we see from the 4-hour? We saw that there might be a rejection here. There's a rejection here, but today's candle actually pushed up. Let's look at it from a 1-hour perspective. So the trick here is, if this candlestick close above this zone here, then we should be looking at a zone here to be broken. So if this zone is also broken, then a cool ride until we are close to this other zone here. Okay, so we are expecting that by the end of this week, if we are able to break through this high over here, we should be able to get a trade through up to this end here. Now, what are my expectations? My expectation is that gold will reverse to this row reversal here, which I think has happened when market open. So let's go to a 15-minute. So on our 15-minute chart, gold has actually reversed to touch the zone and then pushed up, which is very important zone. However, we are approaching a critical zone. I would wait for gold to break through the resistance here for me to engage. So the whole of this week we are trading gold, probably after breaking this high to 4,319.90. That's where I'm expecting gold to move to. But then the signal for today is already mixed. If you're, in case you are interested in gold, you would have been in here after the and be aiming for 1:3. However, you don't forget that there is a resistance here that can be quite difficult for gold. Yeah, so this will be my trade plan in case I actually wanted to engage. So I'm going to leave this like this, and then we will review it next week. Peace out. If you have any pair you want us to look at, you can just write it in the comment section. I'll take my time and I will break it through. If you want me to explain anything as well, just drop those things in the comment section and I'm happy to take you through. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful week.